Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change Gmail password on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down, then go to accounts and backup, then go to manage accounts. From here choose the Gmail address that you want to change password. If I select this, then tap on Google account. From here tap on personal info, then scroll down. Here you can see password, then tap here. Now from here to change your password, first you have to enter your old password, then tap on next. Now from here enter your new password, then confirm your new password, then tap on change password, then tap on change password again, and it's done. Now you can see password changed successfully. And that is how you can change Gmail password on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.